have something a little different and very exciting for you guys today. I have a huge blonde transformation on this beautiful babe from Great Lengths Hair Extensions. These are their tape-in extensions. They are new and improved, and I cannot wait to break this down for you guys. Look at the thin kind of wispy ends we have there on the right. Here's the after on the left. The great thing about this is we just did a halo section through the top in foil, and then you're going to get to see the before and after here. Now, my biggest tip for you guys, if you are working with blondes, pick 3 to 5 different colors of blondes. I'll put the details in the caption. I'm going to install a couple attachments so you guys can see it. Make sure when you are installing attachments that you do not touch the band. You're going to go in with the Great Lengths tool horizontally at a 45-degree angle on both corners, and then finish it off vertically. You're going to swing that end of that extension out of your way. The other thing to keep in mind, you guys, is that these extensions are double drawn, which means that the density and thickness at the top matches the density and thickness at the bottom. Installation tip coming your way: when you guys are creating sections, create that tension on the hair. You're going to take your hand and you're going to hold it tight, and you're actually going to take your pinky and hold it right against the client's head. That will create great tension for installation, which will result in longer lasting extensions. Now here we are with another section. If you guys saw, if I put the darker piece on top of the attachment, it's going to act like a low light or even diffuse the line of brightness, which will act like a root smudge. If you put the brighter piece on top, what you're going to end up with is more of a highlight effect. You guys, look how smooth and beautiful and seamless this blend is. Now I'm going to go in with my Bioprogramming Technologies Hair Bureau. This is the 27D. This is our brand new one. I'm going to give you guys all the reasons I love it in the caption because I can't talk that fast. But I wanted to show you one of the things I love about this iron is that it creates the bounciest waves on tape-in extensions, and here are our results. If you take a much closer look, you can see that we've got this beautiful blended blonde with lots of brightness at the bottom. We put a lot of those brighter pieces towards the base. I love getting a good lived-in color. This client is going to be able to wear these. You know, we'll switch them out every 4 to 6 weeks, and we'll get to install them 3 to 4 times. If you have not had a chance to play with Great Lengths new tape-in extensions, you guys have got to try them, especially for all your blondies.